Right, this afternoon, platypuses, I have a P4C lesson for you. Now, you know that P4C is philosophy for children, and P4C is all about thinking and talking and explaining your ideas. So, I have a lovely activity for you to do to use all of those skills. Now, as you know, when we do P4C, we need to have something that we're going to work on. We work on something called the 4Cs thinking, one of the 4Cs thinking skills. And you are going to work on being a critical thinker today. So, critical thinkers are able to give reasons for your ideas that are supported with evidence. So, you're going to be giving reasons and you're going to be explaining them a bit more. Okay, so I'm going to show the activity. Now, this is the activity that I'd like you to do. So it's what would you rather find? Okay, so I'm going to read out three choices and you are going to decide which one you would rather find. Okay, and then you're going to give your reasons. Okay, remember when you're giving your reasons, you can use that word because. Okay, to do that and explain why you would rather find this thing. Okay, so would you rather find a magic sweetie bag that is always full, or a magic book that talks to you, or a magic carpet that can take you anywhere? Okay, those are really exciting things. And actually, gosh, it's really hard to choose. I'm thinking about it myself. So I want you to have a discussion. Now, I know that usually we would do this as the whole class, and you know that we always share our ideas at school together, but you can still do this at home with your family. So why don't you show them this question, have a discussion about it, and then think of your ideas. Now, you can do this as a talking activity, okay? You can write down your ideas if you want to. I'm going to let you choose. You can even take a video of yourself or get someone to take a video of you explaining your answer and you can send it to me. It is totally up to you, okay? So have fun with this, and I really would love to find out what some of you would rather have, okay, would rather find. Okay, so have fun with this one, platypuses.